Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at some loading ramps in a Chevy Express. Let's check it out. As you can see, the ramp stows just behind the rear doors, taking up minimal mounting space, about 6 to 8 inches on the ramp itself, and the mounting feet protrude in about 13 inches. Let me show you how easy this ramp is to use. Spring assisted, just like that, it's very easy. This does show our optional perforated surface. Now this ramp is 31 inches wide, 79 inches long, and has a capacity of 880 pounds. It's a very conservative rating. We do have these available in a higher capacity at 1,300 as well. And as I mentioned, this is a spring assisted loading ramp. The spring is contained here, and that's what makes it so easy to use. If you like, come over here and take a look. You can notice the mounting position and how much space it's going to take up in your work van. You'll notice there's plenty of room for the shelving, and as you can see, this van is in use and well used, and plenty of equipment in here, and yet the ramp has plenty of room to work. So as I mentioned, spring assist, one finger, and we are ready to go.